On number 7, I have radicals on both sides. They're both isolated on both sides. There's really nothing that's outside of a radical. So I'm just going to square both sides. And what happens here is both radicals go away, and you just have what's on the inside. So 6x plus 2 is equal to 5x plus 3. And then I can solve for x. So if I subtract 5x from both sides, I get x plus 2 is equal to 3. And then subtract 2, I get x is equal to 1. So let's check this. If I type them into y1 and y2, and then I plug in 1, I get the same number. So I don't know what that decimal is, but I know that they're both the same. So this does check out.